Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Python, it is important to maintain a well-structured project directory to keep your code organized and maintainable. One common structure for a Python project directory includes the following directories. 1. src, this directory contains the main source code of your project. 2. tests, this directory contains unit tests for your project. 3. docs, this directory contains documentation for your project. 4. config, this directory contains configuration files. 5. data, this directory contains data files used in your project. Within the src directory, you can further organize your code into subdirectories based on functionality or modules. To create unit tests for your project, you can use the unittest module in Python. Here is an example of a simple project directory structure and a unit test file. Here is an example code for my_module.py. And here is an example code for test_my_module.py to test the @_numbers function. To run the unit tests, you can navigate to the project directory in your terminal and run the following command. This command will discover and run all the unit tests in the tests directory. Make sure your current working directory is the project directory where the src and tests directories are located. By following a structured project directory layout and writing unit tests, you can ensure the quality and reliability of your Python project.